My name is Tatiana and I'm going to show you how to do the mountain. First, go like this and then you twirl it one time like this, and then you have to go like this, like you're doing cats in cradle. After this, then you go like this, and then this string that's in front of my palm and everything, take it off and go like this. Some people watched my spider one, and at the spider, we call this spider because it has legs. And then for this, you're gonna take this top like this. So after this 1, 2 string, you get up, and there's your tiny mountain. You can try.